found a video or anything concrete on the two locations for your input and your output transmission speed sensor. Now this is going to be on various Nissans, Nissan Quests, Nissan Altimas, anything pretty much with the 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a 2006 Nissan Altima SCR with the 3.5 5-speed auto. So I saw the guy with a video with an Odyssey, and he took off the tray, got to this one. Very relatively easy to see. It's blue, so I decided after looking at the FSM, and since no one else wants to point it out, just follow the cable back here. And this cable's in the way, but there's number 2. So it's right on the back side of your automatic transmission. So I'm going to link on the description the code that I was getting and pretty much the part number from Nissan, and to fixing that, pretty much it's relative speed is not matching, all that kind of stuff. So that's where you want to look at. There's the blue connectors right there.